here.
Real good dancing. Do you know how to put it on, or does it go on by itself? No, stand over here so we can see you. All right, let's see. It's in the front here somewhere. Dance! Good job.
Can I wear it every day?
Well, probably not every day. You could probably show Greg and me tomorrow when we come visit. So we do real dancing, real good dancing.
I'm not sure Gabba with the headband and the skirt on.
Okay. We just told Lily the story that Aunt Peggy gave her this when she was born, when she was a tiny baby, and now it fits. Now she's such a good dancer.